Story time. So I just woke up and I was about to make breakfast. Then, hmm, a couple of PMs popped up. Hmm, let's see. So I forgot to make breakfast and then I checked. Let's see. His name rings a bell. So this guy's offering me an R3 beer set. He is Fernando Katane, Bushi's ambassador here in Thailand. And based on my research, he is also one of the leading motorcycle vloggers here in
Hey
Bangkok.
guys, welcome to Pinoy Thailand.
Nice. So here's his YouTube channel. So he's been, I think, vlogging for about 2 years now. And then as far as I know, Bushi also makes a lot of awesome stuff for bikes, so I got excited. So let's check out their Facebook page because I tried looking for the website, but I guess they didn't renew their website. So here it is if you want to check it out. So they make everything from rims, springs, radiators, air filters, rotors, they have everything. Now, so I agreed to meet him, but I think this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna travel to Nonthaburi, Thailand. So Nonthaburi is right about here. So I live right about here in this area. So it's quite a ways. And well, this is my first time traveling on the R3 that far. Yeah, so this is gonna be my first time, and I hope I can get there safely. Now this is the problem. Now, this is how you should not mount your camera on your helmet. So yeah, so I think I mounted it too low. And yeah, please note, please wear proper riding gear. Unlike that guy on the highway, right? Nice shorts. So I had my head down the whole time, trying to be streamlined, but the angle of view suffered. So it's gonna be like this for the next few minutes. So if you wanna see if it changes. By the way, this is, I think, the highway going to. Yeah, I'm going pretty slow because I'm not sure about the way. So I'm still using Google Maps for the whole thing. I muted the sound for the audio for this video because the wind was getting in the camera's mic and it didn't sound good. So I'll try to fix that next time. So yeah, if you want, head on over to about um 9 minute mark, then you can skip all the riding. Anyway, if you want to just watch and look, take a look. By the way, I'm using my trusty Get2 action camera. I'll try to post a link on the description if you want to see. I don't think there's anything available here in Thailand, but yeah, so it's as good as a GoPro. Yeah, so at the 8 minute mark was my ride home. Yeah, so this is my ride home. I encountered some traffic. I had some mishaps with. I made, well, not mishaps. I made mistakes with my riding because I'm still not used to city riding yet with my R3, and I get always get distracted with the directions from the Google Maps. So I keep on losing power. It happened a couple of times that when I was stopping just like this, I'm not well, when there were times that I was not ready to stop, that the engine died on me. So yeah, I'll prove in that. I'll talk more about my bike in the next few videos, and then yeah, you can skip on over to the 9 minute 20 mark. So I was able to get there on time. I was able to talk to Fernando, and he was very quick to start on my bike. He had all his stuff ready. He had the rear set ready. I chose the silver one. Well, you cannot see it on the video. So in this part, he's just assembling the stock rear set on my R3. He also has an R3 that I think Boshi lent him, to show the stuff that they are making. So he's a pro, like, and he did this for free. So yeah, thank you so much, Fernando, for this. Yeah, so check it out. Everything was great until we encountered this problem. These two screws won't give in. We tried everything. This is the first few minutes. However, it was really stubborn. It's really stuck. We guess it was rusted over. So we eventually gave up, and we'll be doing it again next time. So we'll show you the full installation hopefully next time. So we just took pictures, and the other guy here is also going to have some work with his bike. So mount the action camera on your helmet, so you can buy something like this. So it's just fix it in your helmet. It's about 150, 100, 200 baht. It depends on where you buy it on Lazada or Shopee. And then what's good about this mount is you can just take it off. It just fixed by straps and move it on your other helmets. Now the problem was when I mounted my camera here, I did it like this. So it comes with an extender. Now the problem was when I mount it like this. So for example, this is the mount, right? And then you lean on the bike, like when you're leaning down, the footage, of course, points downwards. Okay, it points downwards, which is really bad. What you want to do is, of course, helmet's naturally like this. So what you do is move this extender a little bit outwards. Yeah, unlock it. And then when you move this or put it here, you should mount it like on this angle. Okay? So it should be parallel to your eyes, and you should be able to get better like viewing angles. Okay? Yeah, so that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell